Alright guys, good morning shadows. We are on the bus to Podgorica. It's a very humid day, so I'm already dying. And so we're doing one night in Podgorica and then moving on. So we're just waiting for the bus. So finished dinner, had pizza. I think really because of the Venetian Empire influence, a lot of their food is very much Italian oriented. Just walking back to the hostel. Gonna grab some snacks from a little market I saw. But this place loves casinos, man. Like, they're everywhere. I thought when I left Vegas I'd get rid of it, but no. They're here. I'm walking past one right now. Casino Montenegro. So if you want to get your gamble on, you can still do it. Alright guys, let me continue my walk. Good morning shadows. So today is the day. Today is the day that I have the long ass day from hell. So just kind of killing time by checking out Podgorica. Hopefully you can hear me over the train. So my bus doesn't leave till 8 o'clock tonight. So I figure I'm gonna tool around the city a couple hours. Maro, who is the owner of the hostel, said if I want I can just sit in the common room. But it's a long day and it'll be 3 border crossings. So basically from Montenegro to Kosovo, Kosovo to Macedonia, and then Macedonia to Bulgaria. I should get to Bulgaria sometime like 1 o'clock tomorrow. So it's going to be a really long day. It's my first overnight bus, which is I'm not excited about. And so yeah, let's see what's Podgorica's got going. Alright guys, so I'm not going to go into the church, not really my thing. Maybe some bigger cathedrals, yeah, later on in the trips. But I am going to go into this like park and just kind of chill for a little bit. Really not that far, about 15-minute walk from the hostel, so let's see what's going on. really peaceful, and it's like really kind of like in the heart of the city. So I know that there was a lot of people that said Podgorica isn't really worth coming to. There's nothing much to see, and I would probably venture to say they're right. The clock tower was less than outstanding. The church was really cute, but not like what I thought it was going to be. But this is worth it. So do I think Podgorica is a great place to come and stay for a long period of time? No. Do I think that you should give it probably 2 days? Yeah, I think 2 days would be good. Kind of a little bit of the city, a little bit of that. You know, if you're here, sometimes the hostels will do like trips and stuff like that, so it might be worth it. But don't overlook it just because there's not much to see. Like it's by far not even a busy metropolitan center is what best I can tell. Like I felt like Tirana was busier than Podgorica. But there are a few kind of fun little things to see. This is well worth it, especially if you're into hiking and nature. And yeah, so don't overlook it, just don't plan to spend a lot of time here. I'm gonna finish my walk and then I think it's time for lunch. And then unfortunately I think that's all I want to go do the park over there as well, so that's gonna happen. Yeah, so let's see what we're doing. In the middle of this park, I seem to have stumbled upon some sort of war monument for World War II. I would assume probably for like fallen soldiers, maybe like the unnamed soldier kind of idea. It's really actually very beautiful. Check it out. So once again, make sure, just don't skip it. Like just see it. It is the capital. And make sure you check things out because there's a lot of really great like little statues and little monuments and stuff like that. So back to the trail. Waiting at the bus station. I still got like 3 hours. I can already feel myself getting kind of tired, so hopefully that means I can sleep on the bus. So yeah, this is where I'll leave Podgorica's vlog. Make sure you check it out. Like I said, 2 days. You pretty much have to come here if you're connecting internationally anyways for a lot of things, bus and plane and train. And yeah, so check it out. I really enjoyed it. Montenegro in general was very, very cool. And I can't wait to come back next year. Alright guys, this is where I'm leaving it. Until next video, safe journeys. Make sure in the comments below you let me know what you think of the vlog, as well as if you're ever planning to come to Montenegro, or if you have and you enjoyed it, what did you like the most about it. Alright guys, like I said, until next video, safe journeys.